All right, time for those Tuesday birthdays, and we begin in Sheldon with Maddie Westerhold celebrating number 5. Happy birthday, Maddie.
And Gunnar Burton celebrating birthday number 8 this year. Gunnar is in Columbus, Kansas.
And Willa Fecky in Carl Junction celebrating number 9. She loves to dance, going to dance at Disney World this summer. And this comes with love from Mom, Dad, and Kenzie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Willa. And in Pittsburgh, Reed Prophet celebrating birthday number 10 this year. Hope it's a great one for you, Reed.
And we've got Jonathan Honschel celebrating number 42 in Carthage. Happy birthday, Jonathan.
Nicholas Ybarra celebrating the big 5-0 this year. Looks like he's got a friend leaning over his shoulder there. Nicholas is in Joplin.
All right, Brenda Parsons celebrating number 78 in McCune. Happy birthday, Brenda.
And Stephen Gentle celebrating birthday number 79 this year. Great picture there of Stephen. Happy birthday, Poppy, from Melissa and Lori. And they say, we can't imagine life without you.
All right, we've also got Ron Trim celebrating in Thayer. Happy birthday, Ron. And Dion Thompson celebrating number 47 over in Chanute. Dion, happy birthday. Happy birthday to all of you. And let's continue to celebrate. How can they celebrate with us, Tanya?
All you have to do is send us your birthday. Send them to that email, koamnewsnow.com. Or that's actually the online link that you can send them to. You can do that method as well. I'm sorry.
You can go online. You can drop us an email, whichever is most convenient for you. And while you're on our website, why don't you take a moment to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club? We remind you about it every day because you get great deals from local businesses and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just head over to koamnewsnow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.